Hi guys, today I am sharing another tutorial. This time it is how to get from centimeters to inches or the other way around. Because sometimes we find tutorials by people and they use one measurement system which may not be yours. And then you're like, okay, what now? What am I going to do about these measurements? So there are several ways to be fairly quick about converting your inches to centimeters or the other way around. So the first method is to use the tools that you have. For instance, I have a scoring board here. It has the inches here. So this is already a fixed way of measuring. So now I have a ruler because in my country, the Netherlands, we always use centimeters, not inches. So this is a centimeter ruler and I am just laying it on top of this scoring board measurements. And now I can see exactly how the centimeters correspond to the inches. So that is one way. So it works both ways, of course. I can see that 8 inches is 20.3 centimeters. I can see that 10.1 centimeters is 4 inches. You know, that's what I mean. So that is the first way. So use your scoring board and a ruler. Second way is to use your paper trimmer, provided that it has both ways of measuring. So mine is a Fiskars paper trimmer and it has centimeters and inches. So now I only have to look. So suppose I have something measuring 13 centimeters. I check here 13 centimeters. Oh, that is 5 1/8 of an inch. So that is very helpful as well. So if your paper trimmer only has one set of these two, well, you can either use the ruler trick that I just showed you, of course, that works here as well. Or you could consider purchasing a paper trimmer or a scoring board that has both sets of measurements, because guys, it is very, very convenient, I have to say. And the third way is to go to your computer. Now, if you're at Google, you just type centimeters to inches and then the amount that you want to convert. So say I have something 13 centimeters and then I say 2 inch. And then Google says, well, that is 5.118, etc. inches. So that is how easy that is. And the other way goes as well, of course. Say that I have something 4 inches. Well, it actually already says it here. And then it says that is 10.16 centimeters. So that is pretty easy, right? So yeah, these were the 3 ways to convert your centimeters to inches. Well, there is a fourth way, of course, and that is your calculator, but that is the most tedious one, because then you have to know exactly what 1 inch is in centimeters and then convert with your calculator. And personally, I think that's the biggest hassle of all. So the fourth I'm not even mentioning. So there's 3 ways for me: using your scoring board and your ruler, or your other tool and your ruler, using a tool that already has both measurements, and using good old Google. So I hope that was helpful to you guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Also, if you want other Scrap With Me or Paper Crafting 101 videos, please let me know what topics you would find helpful and I will see if I can help you there. Okay, thank you very much, guys. See you next tutorial. Bye bye.